Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Hooderscan token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Hooderscan is an analytics and trading intelligence platform built for the Robinhood chain ecosystem. It aggregates live token and market data, including price movements, volume spikes, liquidity events, whale activity, trading assets, and newly created trading pairs. The platform also include integrated trading tools, community chat features, token discovery resources, and developer API access for building boards, dashboards, and other data-driven applications. Premium feature and enhanced API access are designed to provide users with faster data access, expanded analytics, and additional platform functionality. Hooderscan token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion Hooder token. Hooder token is listed on Uniswap V3 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.